So now let's see about cache thread pool executor, which is the third one in executor service. So let's create one class for it, cache thread. Executor. Same, we can have main method and we can class what we call class worker implements runnable, and worker can have some work ID and the public. We can have constructor and we can override the method. Okay, then we can print out the content worker ID started, worker 2 started by thread shipped. Started by thread. So we can same run here using cache thread pool executor. So we can have executor here. We don't need to give any number here because cache thread pool will create on its own. The cache thread pool will create threads for us for how many threads required for it. If it is, if thread is not uh, assigned with any task for 60 seconds, the thread will automatically killed by its thread pool. So that's how it works. And let's say not 10, you can say 999. Okay, and then we can executor service dot. We can use also submit, so let's use that. Runnable task, new worker I, yeah, and then we can shut down the, here we can surround it with thread. With 500 milliseconds, and we should surround it with try catch statement for catching exceptions. So let's run this and check this how it will be. See, let's rerun. See here, each thread is assigned to each work ID will be assigned to some thread. 997 will be assigned to 9 areas. We can come from first. See, worker ID, worker 6 started by thread 7, 11 started by 12, and 57 started by 12. So each work is started by every single thread. Each work ID will be started by each single thread by automatically by cache thread pool. Cache thread pool will create threads for us. If a thread is not executing any task, it will kill automatically within after 60 seconds of waiting. See, 260 started by 261 started by pool thread 262. So after executing a task, the it shut down the. So this is how cache thread pool executor works. I hope you understand.